Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. I don't know if you've ever been there or not, but Poland is one of my very favourite countries to visit and to work in the whole of Europe. I've been lucky enough to visit many times and have made friends with many Polish teachers of English there. Over the last couple of weeks, Poland has been engulfed by a huge political crisis. The hard right-wing government there announced 10 days or so ago that they're introducing a law which will basically make abortion for women all but impossible to attain. And as soon as this law was announced, people took to the streets and started protesting. Thousands and thousands of people across the country are up in arms about this new law. If you say that a group of people are up in arms about something, you mean that they're very angry about it, they're complaining about it, and they're protesting about it. They're going on demos, they're carrying out direct action. For example, painting bridges in the centre of Warsaw, the capital, blood red. And they're using social media to organise and agitate and express their dissatisfaction with what's going on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear stories about other groups of people who've been up in arms about different laws or policies or different things that have happened around the world. Thanks for watching.